Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be covering what are basic building blocks of IoT. Guys, I have uploaded complete IoT subject tutorials. I'll provide that link in description. You can watch from there. If you are watching this video for the first time, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. IoT device is nothing but it is a physical object. For example, if you consider smartphone, smart TV, refrigerator, smart fans, smart ACs and smart computers, all these are examples of physical objects. So we call those physical objects as things. So an IoT device is a physical object that is connected to internet and can send and receive data. And all these IoT devices are connected to internet. By using this internet, IoT device can send and receive data. So in IoT, thing can be any object that has unique IP address and that is connected to internet and that can send and receive data. An IoT device can send information about itself. It can send information about surroundings using sensors, and IoT device can be controlled remotely through the internet. I will explain some real life examples. And the first one is home automation system. Guys, for example, if you consider home appliances like smart TV, smart fans, smart doors, etc., we can control all these devices using IoT. For example, I will switch on light by using my mobile. So this is example of IoT. And second one is industrial machine. Guys, by using IoT, we can check working condition of industrial machines. And that working condition data is sent to server. And third one is smart car. Smart cars can automatically send location to cloud. And fourth one is wearable devices like smartwatch. By using smartwatch, we can measure steps, heart rate, and the data can be sent to cloud. Next, I will explain basic building blocks of IoT device. Guys, IoT device has four main parts. And the first one is sensing. IoT device contains sensors. By using that sensors, we can collect data from environment. So sensors are present in IoT device and they can collect data from environment. For example, if we consider temperature, humidity, light intensity, we can collect all this data from sensors and the data can be sent to other devices or cloud servers. And second one is actuation. Guys, IoT device contain actuators. That actuators will perform particular action. For example, whenever person enters into room, then lights will automatically turn on. It is happened because of actuator. Actuator will perform certain action by turning on light. So actuators perform physical actions and they will work based on commands. And third one is communication. Yes, IoT device can communicate with other devices and they can also communicate with servers. So with help of Wi-Fi, Ethernet and USB, IoT device can send and receive data. And fourth one is analysis and processing. Thus, IoT device will process collected data and they will help to make decisions. For example, IoT device will give data regarding soil condition. For example, sensors give data like soil condition is dry. So we can take decisions like providing water to soil. For example, IoT device identified that there is too much of pollution in cities. Based on the data, we can take action. These are main parts in IoT device. And the first one is connectivity. We can connect internet through Ethernet port and we can also connect a USB device and we can also connect RJ45 cable. So IoT device support connectivity and there is also processor inside IoT device. Processor act as CPU and there is also graphics card which act as GPU. We can also listen audio or video from IoT device through HDMI cable and IoT device supports storage through SD card and IoT device also has memory interface. We call it as RAM, random access memory.